Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around of the 2011 the Ford Super Duty. Stock number is 7337. On this virtual video walk around, we're going to show you this truck up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride, as we say. Super clean power stroke. We're going to make our way around the passenger exterior. FX4 off-road package, of course, as you see there. And we're going to take you down the driver's exterior side and then into the driver's seat. Power rear slider, warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. Find out more here at Sunset Ford about those options available to you. At no extra charge, of course. Nice interior leather. Easy control on the dashes there, and easy control within arm's length. You know this truck is not going to last long with a selection of this and the others in our inventory. If you're interested with any questions, call, email, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to answering those questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed this pickup on the virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day.